Morning students of class 9B. In this video class of mathematics, we are going to start exercise 10B. Question number 1. ABCD is a square. Prove that AC square equal to 2AB square. Given A equal to AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD because all these are the sides of a square. And angle B equal to angle B, angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D, that is equal to 90 degree. These are the angles of a square. To prove AC square equal to 2AB square, proof in triangle ABC, this is 90 degree, angle B is 90 degree. Therefore, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square from Pythagoras theorem. AC became hypotenuse, so AC square equal to AB square plus BC square from Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus AB square because this BC is equal to AB. So at the place of BC square we can write AB square. These two sides are equal. In this way we get AC square equal to 2AB square proved. In question number 3, one figure is given. In that figure angle D is 90 degree and angle B is 90 degree. We are asked to prove AB square minus AD square equal to CD square minus CB square. For that I have done one construction. This AC is joint. Then triangle ACD became right angle triangle in which angle D equal to 90 degree. Therefore AC square equal to AD square plus CD square from Pythagoras theorem. I considered equation number 1. Similarly, triangle ABC is also one right angle triangle in which angle B equal to 90 degree. Therefore AC square equal to AB square plus BC square from Pythagoras theorem. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, this AD square plus CD square will be equal to AB square plus BC square because both are the values of AC square. By the rule of transposition, AB square minus AD square equal to CD square minus BC square or CB square. That is proved. In question number 6, in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree and T is the midpoint of BC. Then prove that Roman number 1, AC square equal to AD square plus 3CD square. This is the figure, triangle ABC, in which angle B is 90 degree. And then I have done one construction, AD is joint. Then we can get this AD is joint. Now in triangle ABC, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square from Pythagoras theorem. So AC square equal to AD square minus BD square. This I have written for AB square. If you see AB square in triangle ABD, AB square equal to AD square minus BD square. In triangle ABD, AD square, AB square equal to AD square minus BD square. So at the place of AB square I wrote AD square minus BD square plus this BC square. Now AC square equal to AD square. At the place of BD we can write CD because D is the midpoint. So BD and CD both are equal. At the place of BD I wrote CD square plus this BC. BC means twice of CD, 2CD. Here is square, so I kept here also square. 2CD whole square because D is the midpoint of BC. Now AC square equal to AD square minus CD square plus 2 2 is 4 CD square. AC square equal to AD square plus 3 CD square. 4 CD square minus CD square 3 CD square. AC square equal to AD square plus 3 CD square proved. In question number 8, ABCD is a rhombus. Prove that AC square plus BD square equal to 4AB square. This ABCD is a rhombus in which AC and BD are diagonals. So in a rhombus all the sides are equal, so I wrote here given AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, AC and BD are diagonals intersecting at point O. We are asked to prove AC square plus BD square equal to 4AB square. Proof in triangle AOB, here angle AOB will be 90 degree because diagonals of a rhombus bisect at right angle. Therefore AB become the hypotenuse. So AB square equal to OA square plus OB square from Pythagoras theorem. AB square equal to, since the diagonals bisect each other, Therefore, OA is half of AC. So at the place of OA, I wrote half of AC. This square came here. Plus, similarly, OB is half of BD. So at the place of OB, I wrote half of BD. Here is square, so I kept here square. Now AB square equal to 1 by 4 because square is there. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 AC square plus 1 by 4 BD square. Now I took LCM. 4 is LCM, AC square plus BD square. By cross multiplication, 4AB square equal to AC square plus BD square proved. In question number 10, the question is, in a quadrilateral ABCD, angle B is 90 degree and AD square equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square. Prove that angle ACD is 90 degree. This is the quadrilateral ABCD. I have joined AC. Then angle B is 90 degree given in the question. And this condition is also given that AD square equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square. We are asked to prove angle ACD, this angle, will be 90 degree. Proof in triangle ABC, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square from Pythagoras theorem. I considered equation number 1. And this condition I have written here, that is given in the question, that AD square equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square. This is equation number 2. I have substituted the value of AC square in equation number 2. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So here is also AB square plus BC square. At this place I wrote here AC square. So AD square equal to AC square plus CD square. And if you see in this, if AD square equal to AC square plus CD square, then AD became the hypotenuse. AC and CD are the perpendicular and base in triangle ACD. AD is the hypotenuse and AC and CD become the perpendicular and base. So from the converse of Pythagoras theorem, angle C will be 90 degree. That is proved. In question number 12, the question is, in the given figure, angle B is acute and segment AD is perpendicular to BC, then show that Roman number 1, B square equal to H square plus A square plus X square minus 2AX, and Roman number 2, B square equal to A square plus C square minus 2AX. This is the figure in which AD is the perpendicular to BC, and side AC is B, side AD is H, side CD is A minus X, BD is X, and AB is C. This is perpendicular, means angle ADC is 90 degree. For that I have written here, given angle B is acute angle, this one angle B is acute angle and AD is perpendicular to BC. So that Roman number 1, B square equal to H square plus A square plus X square minus 2AX. In triangle ACD, angle ADC equal to 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. So from Pythagoras theorem we can write AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. AC is B, so AC square means B square equal to AD square means H square plus CD is A minus X whole square. So B square equal to H square plus A square plus X square minus 2AX proved. This is A minus B whole square, so A square plus B square minus 2AB. In this way we get B square equal to H square plus A square plus X square minus 2AX proved. Roman number 2 is to show B square equal to A square plus C square minus 2AX. I have written this above equation here. B square equal to H square plus A square plus X square minus 2AX from above. Now, here H square, this is perpendicular in triangle ABD, H square equal to C square minus X square. So at the place of H square I wrote C square minus X square plus A square plus X square minus 2AX. Minus X square plus X square cancelled. Now we have only B square equal to A square plus C square minus 2X. That was asked to show. In this way it is proved.